Hi there, Year 6. Welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. As I said yesterday, today we're moving on to using our knowledge about angles and the learning that we've done this week about finding angles on a straight line and angles around a point, to then use that to apply to some problem solving, finding angles. So this first problem probably looks quite similar to some of the ones you were doing yesterday, just to get you started. You may want to look back again at those statements we wrote, those two sentences. Angles on a straight line add up to, angles around a point add up to. Those will be absolutely crucial in helping you to solve these problems. So that first problem, as I said, is similar to some of the things we were looking at yesterday. Then we've got a circle divided into 10 equal sections. That word equal, very important. What is the size of the angle marked G? You've got to think angles around a point. And then, or you could think about how you could calculate this knowing what angles on a straight line this add up to. Question 3. You've got to complete the fact family for this bar model. So you've got to think about if you were showing your understanding of the addition of different angles on a straight line in a bar model. So finding that missing value, just as you would do if this was shown as an angle. And then complete that to help you calculate the value of angle A. And then question 4, you're going to 4 angles are meeting at the same point on a straight line. So your knowledge about angles on a straight line. One angle is 81 degrees, the other 3 are equal. What size are the other 3 angles? And here we want you to draw a diagram to prove your answer. So remember, with our problem solving, it's really crucial that we can see your reasoning, see how you got to that answer. Because not only is that important practice, but it's also important for us to be able to help you. If you make a mistake or someone at home can help you, you can then unpick that and see where that mistake was. We've got 6 questions in total and then a little extension for you to have a go at too. So here we start to look at angles in practice, really, or in everyday life. So looking at angles, problems around angles on a clock, thinking about the values of angles if we know the how many degrees there are and how many degrees the minute hand is going to turn. So again, that's going to be angles around a point, isn't it? And then here, another little SATs question that we've taken that I think you might recognise from the last paper we did in school, where Layla is completing a 1.5 somersault dive. How many degrees does Layla turn through her dive? Now, I suggest for this one, you stand up and you think about those turns, just as we did first thing on Monday morning. And then we've got our little extension. So have a go at that if you feel confident with the problem solving you've done in the rest of the lesson. I look forward to speaking to you tomorrow and sharing some more learning with you. Speak to you then. Bye.